Hello guys! For today's video, hello! Kumusta kayo guys? Good lunch pala guys. Ayan. Meron tayong mani. Magmumukbang tayo ng mani guys. Ayan, meron tayong peanut. Guys, kumakain ba kayo ng mani guys? Guys, paborito ko tong mani na to guys. Masarap guys. Pag linaga lang guys ha. Wag lang yung may guys, yung may asukal. Hate ko ang matamis guys. Masisira yung vocal cord natin guys. Ayan. Sariwa yung mani natin guys. Galing sa farm. Mainit-init pa guys.